Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstration how to fix your iTunes. When the iTunes is not configured or detecting your iPhone. Suppose here, see, this data cable when we insert in a computer, iTunes is not detecting that this phone has been connected with the help of data cable to a PC. So how do you fix it? If you are having these kind of the problems, then see, if I go for once again run as administrations in this iTunes, it's saying so that not a connecting, not the symbol is a coming here of especially iPhone. So can I say non-functional? No, especially don't skip ahead. Every step is very crucial. How to fix it? Just to simply, you will have to download 3U tool and upon go for an administrations and upon here. Just by these tools, we can fix it quickly. How it is possible? We'll come in a toolbox. In toolbox, we have a utility option. Here, we'll go for repair of this. So when we tap on here to the repair, now see it has just started to execute. So unwanted, yes, bug or especially any software that has been installed on your particular iPhone or maybe in your especially Apple driver, so that will be a remove, that will be uninstalled, and after installing it will be installed as a new once again. So definitely this device would be a functional. How it is, well, watch carefully. So just a similar strategy, you will have to fix it, and at your home you can fix it. Don't worry if it is not a connecting, not it is to at anyone's. Yes, this strategy can be applicable on any operating system, either you are using Windows 10, Windows 11 or 8.1. So now here option came here to trust. So just we will come on here trust. Now what we will do guys here, just we will tap on here. Now see this device has been completely, yes, and symbol came here. So just we will go for uninstall. Uninstall the older driver files stored in the system. So we will clear all. So definitely 3U tool will be a functional. So now see when it will be installed, and I would like to show you how it will be. How this is special, I mean this will be a functional. Just waiting here to uninstall completes and then. Now see, given a special I mean beep that it has completely installs, but still it is uninstalling, so we will have to wait here guys. Yes, wait here. Now see here, this the old driver is successfully uninstalled. Please replug the device. So just we will go for here, close it, and then of course we will close, and we will close it. Fine, we will close it, and once again this iTunes we will close, and once again we will go for run as a administrations of this iTunes. Now symbol came here. Now see here. So this iPhone is now completely functional on iTunes. So this is all about guys. Thank you for staying the tail end of this tutorial. This is the Technology Welfare. I will be back with new step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share of these contents because it really supports the channel, guys. Thank you very much indeed.